The Philippines is considered as one of the most disaster-prone countries in the world. And in the recent years, Filipinos have faced an increasing frequency and magnitude in disaster events, with each impact being more deadly and costly, especially for the marginalized communities. I am Marie Joy Domingo, a civil servant and a student of the Executive Disaster Risk and Crisis Management Program. Today, let me share with you my personal insights on how data science and artificial intelligence can revolutionize disaster risk and crisis management in Filipino communities. In the past, the approach to disasters was primarily based on reactive responses, relying on historical data, expert opinion, and models. With the unprecedented technological advancement, data science and artificial intelligence have profoundly impacted the current proactive stance on disaster risk reduction and management through a data-driven approach that enables better prediction, response, and recovery. A major contribution of data science is the collection and analysis of massive data sets. Through this data collection and use of predictive models, progress and intensity of disasters can be predicted, giving lead time for the authorities to prepare for and minimize its impacts on the communities. Integration of these datasets with a geographic information system such as the QGIS and DIBA-GIS tool provides detailed maps for planning, identification of the most vulnerable areas, plan evacuation, and resource mobilization effectively. The community-based monitoring system is an example of integration of GIS and data science, which provides disaggregated data targeting the high-risk households in a specific locality. CBMS provides the baseline data for the climate and disaster risk assessment, which is then the foundation for crafting all disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation frameworks. Real-time data gathered through advanced technologies such as the Earth observing systems and the satellite imagery like NASA Earth Data, Copernicus, and Sentinel gather data on climate patterns, seismic activities, sea level rise, and other relevant natural parameters that allows us to constantly monitor risk factors to make early detection of known hazards or predict the development of hazards. Using AI and machine learning, patterns and trends from these massive datasets, which would otherwise be elusive to human analysis, can be identified and acted upon. Data-driven coordination is crucial in times of emergencies. An end-to-end early warning system using real-time data provides timely alerts to the communities and for the government, lead time to call for preventive measures to ensure safety of the community. PHIVOX, for example, uses a variety of technologies to monitor Taal volcano, such as GPS, tilt meter, EOS, and data science in monitoring volcanic activities. They use internet, IPStar, VSAT, and SST radio to transmit this real-time data to the observatory. They issue alerts before disaster strikes based on the analysis of this data. During disaster response, data-driven coordination is critical. Real-time information analysis allows rescuers to make informed and timely decisions, allocate resources where they are needed most, and rescue efforts to be optimized. Resource allocation in times of disaster can make a difference between life and death. AI can help create an integrated emergency response system with warning and communication that quickly informs the population of imminent dangers, evacuation procedures, and rescue points. It also connects people to get help in emergencies with the end goal of saving lives through timely responses. Recognizing the importance of these technologies, the application of a localized 911 call centers using software platforms are now being eyed nationwide by local government units. As the emergency is brought under control, recovery involves restoring basic services and repairing physical, social, and economic damages. Data science and AI helps in optimizing resource allocation by analyzing numerous factors such as population density, critical facilities, number of affected population, and the extent of damage, ensuring the limited resources are equitably distributed. We cannot underscore the role of data science and AI in disaster risk and crisis management and how it empowers communities to mitigate the impact of disasters and save lives, such that local practitioners need the buy-in of the policymakers and stakeholders for it to be mainstreamed in the local DRRM landscape. To properly implement data science and AI, the authorities require a plan that makes the adoption process available across all levels of its governance. Strategies towards this would include hiring of AI professionals and researchers and enlisting the assistance of qualified individuals who can assist in the development of adoption methods. Collection of high-quality data is likewise needed for the AI-powered applications. And in organization, to keep up to date and to ensure optimum use of these technologies, knowledge should be cascaded to all stakeholders with appropriate funds and infrastructure support. Data science and artificial intelligence, merged with a community-based disaster risk reduction and management framework, will blaze the path towards a disaster-resilient Philippines.